One, two, three. Oh, it's face mask. Hi guys! Hello kailians! Welcome to our vlog. So katatapos lang namin ng aming celebration for my 27th birthday in Crown. So thank you po. Thank you to all my friends and family who make this happen. So for today's video, for tonight.
Now we will open the present.
Yeah, we are going to open the present.
I'm so excited and I'm sleeping in the car.
Okay, let's do unboxing. So, we will open from biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest? Smallest to biggest. So, we will start the small one.
Yes,
What's
this
that?
is the small one.
Yeah. This is from Kuya Raniel.
Let's check.
Let's check. One, two,
three.
wow! Sapa mo! Thank you so much! Tignan natin. Thank you so much, Raniel and Rona, for this gift. Ayan. This is Dionysus. Dionysus. We will smell first, baby. This is the, what scent?
What does it smell like?
Yeah. Para madami. Jowa. Si Tito Bandong. Okay, we will smell. Wow, kulay blue. They know that this is my favorite color, baby.
What's your favorite color?
Ang bango.
Can I smell? Can I smell it? It smells good.
You're not convincing. Lalaki. Thank you so
You
much.
just put in it now.
Oo.
Because you're excited.
Thank you so much.
One.
Thank you, Raniel and Rona, for this gift. It's a perfume. We're going to open. All this is from Chef Sandy.
It smells.
Yeah, you know Chef Sandy? She's beside me. Friend of your mom.
Oh yeah. The one with the hair.
Yeah.
The color.
The color. So, 1, 2, 3.
What's that?
It's a
It's a
polo
t-shirt.
shirt.
It's a t-shirt.
Yeah, and magagamit ko sa work. Thank you so much, Chef Sandy, for this one. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Magagamit ko to, makikita mo din sa work. So, kasi kailangan ko ng polo shirt for Saturday and Sunday.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chef Sandy.
Okay, now it's this
Next.
Next.
And
The
you know who gave it?
tiger.
You know who gave this one? Tito Emma. Yeah.
That's
Social si Tito Emma.
That's so big.
Thank you, Chef, for the polo. And next.
Next, the
Do you know who-
lion.
Do you know who gave this one, Kiri?
Huh?
Do you know who gave this? Si Ate Wilma Balagso. Our neighbor. Sa Ate Wilma.
Yeah. The one in there.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's face mask. Look at face mask. So, another thing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, man. So, we have another bag. So,
It's a t-shirt again.
1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Wow. Ano to?
It's a t-shirt again.
No, it's a short, baby. Kasi
At
wala.
least it looks like a t-shirt.
Yeah. Wow, nakakasosyal ate. Ralph Lauren pa. Regalo, shout out. Ate, 28. Wala. Thank you so much, ate.
Last one.
Wala, naka-close.
Tasha! So much ate will move the lag for this short. Napakaganda. I will use this one for traveling. Ayan. Sakto-sakto. Actually, bibili sana ako nito pero since nag-gift na, thank you so much.
Last one. The last biggest
last-
one in the world.
This is the baggies. Baggies! So this is the gift from my friend Emma. Ayan. Thank you so much Emma for this gift. So surprise. Ang secure talaga ni friend pag nagbibigay ng ng gift. Talagang pinapahirapan ako. Ayan. Si Jingjing dati. Yes, baby.
I give you for your present.
Yeah, later. Yeah, baby. So we will open this one. Last December si Ate Jingjing ang niregaluhan niya. Alam niyo yung ginawa niya, binalot niya yung gift sa napakaraming wrapper. And now this is my gift naman. So ang daming stapler. Love talaga ako ni friend. Yes. Si friend lang. Ayan.
Mabilis lang. Manang jingjing. Wala daw.
Ayan, thank you so much Ate Vilma Balagso for the shorts. Thank you so much.
Bukas na raw yung pag may day off na yung
Ay.
kay kuya mo.
Ayan, thank you so much Ate.
Welcome.
Ayan. And kay Emma. It's a piece. Sabi ko na nga si friend ko talaga.
It's a bag. It's a bag.
Is it?
Yes.
Wow!
It's a bag. Look, it's a bag.
1, 2, 3.
I know it's a
Wow.
bag.
Wow! Kasi nakikita niya ang
Ano na yung bag?
mother, baka may pakapatid. Mak, baka naman.
May
May pamahiin po tayo sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pag may baka may dito.
Yan lang yan mo.
You're looking for money, right?
No, baby. Boyfriend. Body mo, girl, cat. May pagkat man. Yeah, thank you so much. Franny, thank you. Pangmalakasan ang semyo niya. Kasi semyo is one of the branded shop dito sa Lao. So, ayun, thank you so much, friend, for your gift. Thank you so much. Thank you. And one more. I think there's one more. That bag.
No, it's mine.
Oh, I see. I thought it's this. That's it, guys, for today's video. And I hope you like all of this. And thank you sa mga family and friends ko here in Laos. I'm so thankful dahil sa mga kay Ate Gigi, especially kay Ate Gigi, ayan, na nag-prepare ng salo-salo sa aming sa hotel. Okay, thank you so much. And Lily, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yay! Ayan. Hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Bandongzki, and see you to my next vlog. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ayan. Thank